So, good evening, my sweeties. Today we are going to speak about the test letter writing. So, where you can find the pattern for test letter writing? Here it is. We go to the flipped course. So there you should find the folder, week 1, and there you can find the pattern of letter writing. So here it is. Well, week 1. It is still loading, and we have the pattern of test letter writing. Now, what do we have here? First of all, how do we begin our letters? So we start with the address. Mind please that it is a test letter writing. That is why we do not use the full address. We use, well, a contracted form of it. Well, I'm from Moscow, that's why I write, well, Moscow, then the country, and then the date. Actually, you should write the contemporary date, but you can still write some other. It doesn't matter. So then, in your assignment, you will find the letter and the person to whom you are writing it. Well, here it is Paul. Let it be Paul. So you start your letter with Dear Paul. You should use 3 phrases. First of all, you should thank for the letter, say that you are happy again, and want to say sorry why you haven't written to that person. After that, you link the second paragraph with the whole body of the lesson, and then you start answering. So here are the questions. What is the trip you like best of all? When and where did you go on your best trip? So how should you answer these questions? So first of all, my best trip I liked best of all was last year, and I traveled to England. Here we answer fully the questions when and where. So if you haven't answered one question, you've received plus minus. So then, who did you go there with? Again, give a full answer. I went there with my parents, and mind please that you should answer the questions in the tense they are asked. So, and what did you like during the trip? I saw, well, a beautiful scenery. I listened to a concert. I learned the new language, and so on and so forth. After you have answered this question, you write, well, 3 phrases. Well, for instance, write back soon. From the new line, best wishes, and your name. How do we count this? First of all, you should write your answers in in the whole paragraph without numbering it. It should be looked like this one. I will just do it. So let it be like this one. And again, it looks like, well, this one. So without numbering the questions you have answered, and do not write it from the new line. You should use it like this one. And so on. The line, there shouldn't be full lined, well, like this. And after that, you can count the words. It will be 1, 2, 3, the date. We count it as one word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Contracted forms. This is 11, it's not 2 words. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and that till the end. Actually, you will find in your assignment how many words you should write, but you should mind that here we have 72, 110 words, but you should write, well, at least 60, 70. It's alright for you. And mind please that you have 10% margin. That means if you have 60 words, so the letter will be checked if you write at least 54 words. If there is 53 words, the letter will not be checked. And how do we count this? So first of all, if you have written the letter, so wrote it with all the rules of letter writing, you have the introduction, the linking verb, so and well the ending phrases and your name, of course. So you will receive and red lines. Here you can see that each paragraph starts with a red line. It is a really necessary thing for it. You will receive top 2 points for it. If you have answered 3 questions, you answered it properly in the tense, and well, you answered how they are asked. So you will receive 3 points of it. Then actually we come across grammar and vocabulary. If you use all the words, all the necessary words, you write them all right, and you use the grammar, so you answer the questions in the tense they are asked. So you will receive 3 points. And mind please that we put a comma after greeting, and we do not put the full stop after the name. That is 2 points. 1 point goes for the comma, the other goes for no full stop after your name. And you will receive 10 points. 10 points, it is a good mark and means 5. So, well, if you have something missing in your answers, so we will check it out. And finally, well, 1 point is left for it. If you receive 9 and it's still okay, so you will receive a good mark. Well, 2 points it is, well, mark 4, grade 4. And well, actually you have to receive 5 points to get satisfactory mark. 5 points, well, this can be missing letter line, you have forgotten something, you answered 3 questions but you didn't use the appropriate tense here, and you receive a bad mark. So if you haven't answered the questions, and well, there are not the appropriate amount of words in your letter writing. So see you soon.